Have you ever wondered what happens when fantasy meets reality? I'm a 21-year-old fantasy lover who stumbled into the fascinating world of neurocosmetics at Ame Organic. Welcome to the Ame Organics Perfectly Imperfect show, where we will be discussing about the science of reverse aging. So now let me introduce Miss Nandita Sharma to our podcast.
Thank you, Sanjana. I'm so delighted to be on Imperfectly Perfect.
Thank you.
That's my funda of life.
Yes, ma'am. So she is the brilliant mindset behind the Ame Organic with the 28 years old of experience in beauty industry. So together, Nandita ma'am and I will dive into the secrets. Nandita ma'am, are you ready to dive in?
I'm always ready.
Okay, so first of all, here's my personal question. How excited were you to be the first person to establish a skincare brand with neurocosmetics?
Okay, so excitement, thy name, Nandita. You can say in a simple word. People who know me, I'm so excited about life. And when I have been in line of cosmetics, beauty and wellness for almost 3 decades. And I also don't feel that this is something what I have new started. This is a culmination of 30 years of my learnings. And now neurocosmetics, when it started becoming a popular term. But around 3 years back, when we started our research, that was the time I started realizing that biggest reason for people to go through skin problems and health problems is stress. And what is really important is to control stress. And what gives us maximum stress? When we see we're not looking good, we often don't feel good. So then we thought, why not marry these two things? And luckily now we see other companies are also following our steps in starting neurocosmetics.
Okay, that's a very good. So there are some commonly asked questions these days. The people are very worried about their skincare. So we have listed on some questions and I need your honest opinion on those questions. So the first question we have is, neurocosmetics is one of the most decent terms in the beauty industry recently, and explain in own terms, like what is neurocosmetics means.
So in neurocosmetics, we are working to make sure their brain is in the relaxed state of mind and your skin is in the happier state of mind, using the right kind of natural organic products which are non-harmful for your face and which cannot cause any long-term side effect to the body.
Actually, it's a very simpler than I thought. I was like, oh, okay, neurocosmetics, it is a very big word and it's really be like very science kind of thing.
Life is simple. And science is simple too. So
that's true.
It's important that we should start seeing, receiving and living life in a simple way.
Neurocosmetics suitable for all type of skin like dry, oil or sensitive skins. Are there any specific types that might benefits more?
Okay, so see, dry, sensitive, oily skin is basically these all of skin and how your skin is producing oil and how that oil is distributed on the different parts of your face and body. That determine that what kind of skin type you have. Neurocosmetics are suitable for all skin types. But having said that, because they can also stimulate our hormones. And what produces more oil? So there are some certain kind of aromatic components or some other component which can actually activate or make our oil gland less activated. So that's the reason we can always pick and choose right kind of neurocosmetic depending on our skin type. But they can always help us to have more normal and a better skin.
And I have my personal question. Like few days ago, I posted a reel in Instagram regarding anti-aging serum, and n number of people were commenting like, "You're just 21-year-old. Why do you need anti-aging serum? Or why do you worry about the wrinkles?" let me know your opinion on this.
Okay, so do you know when we start aging?
25 or 30?
So the aging starts the moment you're born.
Okay.
You know, it's something very important which all of us must realize. The skin is the biggest organ of our body.
Yes.
And the purpose of skin is not only to make us look a certain way, you know, like a Cinderella or like Cleopatra. It's about also to protect what is happening inside our body.
Yes, yes.
Skin also plays very important role, even let it be controlling the temperature, and also in our body's immune system.
Immune system,
For a simple example, you remember during the COVID time, we all were asked to wash
hands.
Was it? You were not supposed to touch surfaces. Things clean.
Yeah.
Because the skin can take the things, whatever you are putting to our body, and which can also affect our immune system. So we cannot see skin as one specific single thing. It has to be seen as in the totality. And when you take the treatment, like even when you speak about something like anti-aging products, or rather age-defying products, you know, age-defying is slightly different than the anti-aging. Anti-aging is when you're aged, but age-defying products are working in delaying the processes and the chemical reaction which happens inside our body on the cellular level, which might give us a wrinkle, or not just wrinkle, you know, loss of energy, cognitive problems in 8-10 years of time. So the time to start age-defying processes is way earlier than what people in general think.
That's
you understood?
Yes, totally.
You know, aging doesn't happen on skin. It is happening deeper in our cells. So when you see a wrinkle, do you see only wrinkle? No, that is, you ask your mom. There are the people that also comes with some of the knee pain, shoulder pains. People will feel less of energy. That is so many different problems. So basically, our skin is like a screen.
Screen, yes.
Which is showing what is happening inside. You know, when you watch cricket, what you see on screen is score.
Okay.
But what activities, who is hitting the ball, how Virat Kohli has put the sixer, or who is making, you know, the other person out, those are the activities which are happening on the ground. And that ground here is inside our body, on our cells. Well, activities, and this screen is a scoreboard. How good activities are inside, the better it's going to look from outside.
So next we have the questions on Korean skin rituals are very popular nowadays. What's your take on that?
Okay, so do you also use Korean skincare rituals?
No, but when I see them, I feel like even I want that glass glowing skin.
Okay.
It's a dream for all the youths nowadays.
And since how long the dream has been?
Recently, like from 3 to 4 years.
And I'm sure you might have heard about K-series on the TV.
Yeah. From that only it started.
That only it started?
Yes.
So when you start a movie or a series, is your features changing and becoming Korean?
Yes, like in appearance. We will be trying some new hairstyles.
You can only try the hairstyle, you can try the clothes, which are external things, which are not related to your genetics, which are not related to your body. The same way, Korean skincare is made for the Korean people. For the weather conditions in Korea, which is usually quite cold. They have a dry weather. The melanin or the color pigment in their skin is much lower, and they have a fine skin.
Oh, yes.
Very fine skin. So they're born with that kind of skin. What happens in our Indian area? We have hot and humid weather. Our skin has a variety of colors, and we are born with lots of melanin.
Yes.
And because of that, our needs of skin are very different. And at the same time, because our environmental conditions are very different, we're genetically very, very different. When we use those long, lengthy 10, 11, 12 rituals in the skincare, it's only going to irritate our skin. Our skin needs are very different. So say no to Korea, say yes to India.
Yes, that's a very good tagline.
And you know, we have to understand, we were among the first civilizations.
Yes.
Where even the cosmetics were invented, where the skincare were invented. They are from the land of Ayurveda. Different kind of healing systems have taken birth. and which is also in mature state of 5,000 years of written history. We are way better than them. So focus on individuality.
Yes. I guess the people are watching, they will get a clear answer for Korean skincare.
No.
Yes, no. So, coming to the science of spirituality, what does your tagline mean?
Okay. So, the tagline for AME means where science meets spirituality. When it comes to AME Organic, every product is produced with chants. And then we charge them energetically and keeping in a specific magnetic field to make sure that they have good vibes which can add on to your healing. You might have heard about free radicals.
Yes.
So free radicals cause the maximum aging.
Yes.
And destruction in the body. You know, they are like the rowdies or the most naughty kid in the classroom who will go dash here, dash there, create all the fuss, and in the lunch hour, you know, you will go, they will make everything dirty. So that's the work of free radicals.
Free radicals, yes.
And these then someone coming and a nice teacher comes and who is able to talk to that rowdy kid, that naughty child. The teacher is telling, calm down. I will sit and eat with you. And she does it with lots of love. The reaction is going to be different. And that's what these different kind of vibrations and healing energy do to the products what we create. So they help to eradicate or calm down free radicals in our body, and your body can use that energy to create something constructive.
So after hearing this, I feel that I want to experience the same calmness by using the AME Organics product.
Absolutely.
Don't you think bringing modern science and spiritual practice together will neither let it stay scientific nor spiritual?
When he said mixing both the thing, what is science?
All I know is science means elements or like physics, biology.
So science is a structured study to get a specific outcome where it has a process where we know what is the step-by-step work we have to do and what the outcome is going to be. And what is spirituality?
It's like giving our soul to God, doing meditations.
So there are two different things. So one is called being spiritual and one is called being religious.
Okay.
So though I'm both, I'm religious and I'm spiritual. So when we say science meets spirituality is control of your thoughts, feelings and mind, which I told you just before.
Yes.
And science is about the elements, the actives, the ingredients and the process of manufacturing a cosmetic. So spirituality is meeting by changing the energy field around the product, and science is making sure that product is very effective and it's in the best alignment of body.
Yes. Okay, I guess I learned so many things today from this. So also I wanted to know that how are you this beautiful? May I know the secret of this flawless, natural, glowing skin of yours?
Now, if I have to be honest with you, I think biggest credit should go to my parents for the genes like they have given me. But the other thing, what it is very important in taking good care of my skin, making sure whatever goes inside my body is very filtered. Let it be my skincare. I've never been to any dermat till today. I've been blessed. I didn't have a skin disease, but I'm not someone, I don't say the people who do the rituals and treatments and different kind of things, fillers for their skin is wrong. But I think what the natural glow with having a peaceful state of mind, eating the right kind of diet and having clear and beautiful thoughts is the secret of this. I'm very, very selective even about what kind of content I consume. Because whatever I'm consuming, even through my eyes, even through my ears, is also going and changing the way my thought pattern is happening. It is changing my electromagnetic spectrum in my body, and that can result in a aged looking skin. And it's not just my skin. People who know me, they know it's also the energy I have. Luckily, I don't feel not even a tiny bit about 2022. So I think I look older than what I feel.
I hope I will get the same energy like you when I we were in it.
You know, running a business, and you know, my schedule is I almost travel almost 20 days.
Yes.
And that traveling is not relaxed traveling. Though people think I enjoy my life, because that's the kind of life we portray in Instagram. And the thing is, there will be back-to-back meetings, and then you're coming, you're studying, and I put lots of time in research every day. But yet, because I do it in flow, not in hustle. And when we are in flow, I know how to alter my brainwaves. So my mind is not in high beta, that's a kind of brainwave. It's in alpha when I want to work. So my productivity is much higher. And whenever I feel agitated, I just meditate. And meditation is the magic formula.
Even I saw that, ma'am. Before going to the shoot, you were like doing all the meditations and all.
So it's just calming down our thought. Nothing else is needed. Eat clean. Make sure that you have a nice lifestyle going with the circadian rhythms. The biggest secret of beauty is, no, I'm not going to say MA Organic. The biggest secret of beauty is being in the happy state of mind. Happiness reflects more than anything else.
Yes.
And avoid chemicals as much as possible.
I'm so honored. I'm so grateful to you. Like, I learned so many things. I hope the people are watching till the end. They also get some confidence and a beautiful skin like Nandita ma'am. And yeah, I'm so grateful for you, ma'am.
So be precious. Be perfect in your own imperfection. Thank you. Stay blissful till then.
This is just a beginning of MA Organic's Perfectly Imperfect show. So stay tuned for more information about neurocosmetics, skincare, science, where science meets spirituality. Stay tuned for more information. Thank you for watching.